Okay, good morning to one and all. Yesterday we were discussing about the upper bound of each device. That is the upper bound of each device. That is upper bound of first device 2, upper bound of second device is 3, upper bound of third device is 3. That is the upper bound means the maximum number of devices connected in parallel. Suppose the maximum number of devices connected parallel and in D1, U1 means upper bound of first device D1. And second U2 means the upper bound of second device is D2. It is D2, the number of devices used in second stage. And third one, it is U3 means 3T. It is the number of devices connected in third stage. It is first stage, second stage, third stage. It is D1, D1. Maximum number of D1 devices is 2. The maximum number of D2 devices used is 3. Maximum number of D3 devices used is 3. Means to design any system, it is to design any, the every stage must minimum have one device. Is D1 or minimum 1, D2 or minimum, or D3 or minimum. The maximum devices, that is the maximum devices is you are calculating, it is upper bounds. It is U1, U2, U3. It is next. So U1, U2, U3, U3. Next, the optimal solution, that is the optimal solution is represented is in reliability design. It is the optimal solution is represented by M1, M2, M3, Mn. It is M1 means the number of devices in first stage, that is D1. M2 represents the number of D2 devices. M3 represents the number of D3 devices. Already we are calculating the maximum value of M1 is 2. Maximum value of M2 is 3. Maximum value of M3 is 3. But we are calculating optimal solution. That is the optimal solution to maximize the reliability by using cost constraint. That is the sum of the cost of the weights of the system is less than or equal to the budget cost, that is in our problem is 105. So the value of optimal solution f of n of c equal to, that is the f of n of c equal to f of n of c equal to maximum of phi of n of m comma f of n minus 1 c minus cn m1. That is the maximum value of maximum reliability for the cost constraint 105. F of n of c equal to maximum of, it is maximum of pi of n m of n. That is pi of n m of n is reliability. It is the reliability of device f of n minus comma f of n minus 1 c minus cn into mn. Okay, suppose mn is lies between 1 to nm. Un, it is the upper bound, it is 1 to m, it is the mn value, it is the mn value is lies between 1 to upper bound, it is 1 to upper bound in any stage, that is u1, u2, u3. So first we are set this using sets is let s power I is consist of a tuple f comma x, that is the f represents reliability, x represents the total cost, that is f equal to, that is f equal to f of I of x, that is the f of I of x. There is at most one tuple for each different x, that is the different x that resulting from sequence decisions on M1, M2, M3. That is the different x values. That is the different x values means the different cost values. That is different cost values that resulting from sequence of decisions on M1, M2, M3. That means suppose in first stage we are using M1 equal to 1. In second stage M2 equal to 1, M3 equal to 1. That is we are using different x values. That is different x value means different cost values. That is different cost values. Different cost values means different m values. That is m1 equal to 1, m1 equal to 2, m2 equal to 1, m2 equal to 2, m2 equal to 3, m3 equal to 1, m3 equal to 2, m3 equal to 3. That is different values. So we are using domain rules. That is domain rules means f1 comma x1 dominate f2 comma x2. That is f1 comma x1 is dominate f2 comma x2 if and only if f1 is greater than or equal to f2, x1 less than or equal to x2. It is x1 less than or equal to x2, then discard f2 comma x2 from s power I. So you can obtain s power I from s power I minus 1 by all possible values of mi and combining the resulting tuples together together s power 0 equal to 1 comma 0. So we are calculating s power I, that is the s power I from s power I minus 1 by all possible values for m of I. By all possible values of m of I means that is m of I is either 1 or 2 or 3. It is m1 is either 1 or 2 or 3. m2 is 1 or 2 or 3. All possible values means the possible values is depends on the upper bound of, it is the upper bound of maximum devices. So initially we are consider s power 0 equal to 1 comma 0. It is s power 0 equal to 1 comma 0. Next, s power I j, sorry, sj power I represents the all the tuples obtained from by choosing by choosing, it is by choosing m of I equal to j, it is the m of I equal to j. So it is the how these sets is represented is, it is the how the sets is represented is s. First the set contain f comma x, that is the f represents the reliability, it is the reliability. X represents the cost, that is the cost based on the number of devices used in the system. So total main rules, that is the main rules used in our problem is, that is the main rules used in our problem is, first one is a dominated rule, that is the dominated rule. The next one is s power I is calculated from s power minus 1 by all possible values of m of I. By all possible values of m of I means, suppose for a m1, that is the m1, the maximum value of m is 2. That means the possible values of m1 is 1 comma 2. Suppose the maximum value of m2 is 3. It is m2 is 3. It is the upper bound is 3. The possible values of m2 is either 1 or 2 or 3. Same m3 equal to 3. It is the possible values is 1, 2, 3. So now we are calculating s power, it is sets, it is we are calculating sets, that is s power 0. First we are starting with the s power 0. Our problem is same problem in previous representing c1 c2 is equal to 30 15 20 and reliability r1 r2 r2 upper bound values already we are calculating 2 3 3. So first we are starting with s power 0, it is starting with s power 0 equal to 1 comma 0, f of 0 of x equal to 1 and cost equal to 0. So first we are calculating, that is first we are calculating reliability of each device, that is the reliability of each device for different values of m, that is for different values of m. That is the main is here first one pi of 1 1, what is pi of 1 of 1, that is pi of 1 of 1 means the reliability of device d1 if m1 equal to 1, that equal to 0.9. That means 1 minus 1 minus r of I whole power m. It is here by using this formula, it is by using this formula we are calculating the reliability of m1, that is the reliability of device d1 if the number of devices in first stage is 1 is 0.9 is 0.9. Next, the reliability of D1, if the number of devices in stage 1 is 2, so reliability is 0.99. By using same formula, it is by using same formula, it is 1 minus 1 minus R of I into whole power M of I. 1 minus 1 minus R of I into whole power M of I. First M1 equal to 1. Here M1 equal to 2. Next same for M2 value, it is the reliability of second stage. If M1 equal to 1, it is 0.8. Next again for reliability, it is the reliability of second device. If number of devices in the second stage is 2, it is reliability is 0.9. How we are getting 0.9? 1 minus R of I. R of I means the reliability of second device. Reliability of second device is 0.2. What is sorry 0.8? That is 0.8 means 1 minus 0.8 means 0.2. 0.2 whole square. It is 0.2 into 0.2 at equal to 0.4. 1 minus 0.4 at 0.6. So the reliability of second device, that is the reliability of second device, we are calculating. Suppose the reliability of third device, that is the reliability of third device is 0.992. That means 1 minus 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2. That is 0.008. That equal to 1 minus 0.008 equal to 0.99. So the reliability, that is the reliability of first reliability of second device, if the number of devices is 1. Next one, the reliability of third device, if the number of devices is number of devices is 2. Next one, the reliability is if the number of devices is 3. Same, the reliability of third device, that is the reliability of third device, if the number of devices, that is if number of devices equal to 1, that is 0.5. Next 0.75. 0.5 means 1 minus r of I into whole power 1. That is 1 minus, that is the reliability of third device, that is the reliability of third device is 0.5. That is 0.5 means 1 minus 0.5, that equal to 0.5. 0.5, 1 minus 0.5 equal to 0.5. Next here, suppose the number of devices in second stage. The number of devices in second stage is 2. 1 minus, that is 1 minus 0.5 into 0.5. That equal to 0.25. That equal to 0.75. Same next here, 1 minus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. That is 25. 25 into 5, 125, that equal to 0.125, that equal to 0.875. So first we are calculating the reliability of each device with the different values of M of I. So first M1 equal to 1, M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2, M2 equal to 3. Next here, M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 2, M2 equal to 3. So same, you are calculating cost. That is, the cost means suppose the number of devices is 1, D1 equal to 1, cost is 30. Is here already cost is 30. Suppose number of devices 2, the cost is 60. Here 30, 60. $30, $60. Next. Here number of devices, that is the number of devices means the based on value, it is cost is 15. It is first is 15, next 30 and 45. Next here the cost is 0.5, cost is 20. Suppose the for first one 20, 40 and next one is 60. So then reliability of each device for different values of M. Suppose for different values of M means the number of devices used in each stage, that is the number of devices used in each stage is depends on different values of M. Next. So here we are calculating first one, the reliability of each device, that is the reliability of each stage for different values. The cost is C1, C2, C equal to 30, 50, 20. And the total cost of the system is 105. First, initially we are consider S power 0 equal to 1 comma 0. S power 0 equal to 1 comma 0. Next, S power j equal to 1. This one, it is S power j, it is 1 minute. S power I j equal to all the tuples from S power I minus 1 with M of I equal to j. That means M1 equal to 1. M1 equal to 1 means j equal to 1. S1 power 1. S1 power 1. That means the number of devices, that is S1 1. S1 1. power 1. Power 1 means that is the S power 1 represents first stage. S1 represents the number of devices in first stage. That means suppose D1 in first stage D1 number of devices is if D1 means the number of devices in first stage is 1. 1 represents D1, that is 1 means first stage. S power 1 represents stage. Here 1 represents the number of devices in first stage. That is in first stage D1 first stage. S power 1 means first stage. Here S1 represents number of devices is 1. It represents S1. Next S power 1 means first stage, same first stage. S2 represents the number of devices, that is the number of duplicate devices in first stage. These 2 devices. 2 means here we are representing same D1, 2 devices, first stage S2. It is S2. First stage means S power 1. Same here also S power 1. D1 you are using number of devices 1. By using this formula, it is 0.9. It is 0.9 means if the now reliability is 0.9, we are calculating same here. And cost is, that is suppose you are using single device, that is you are using single device, the cost is 30, is C1 equal to 30. Suppose the number of devices used in first stage is 60, is 60. Sorry, 2 devices, the reliability is 0.99 and cost is 60. 60 means 30 plus 30, 2. What is you are using 2 devices, 30 plus 30, D1 is 30 plus 30, 60. Reliability is, it is 0.99 equal to 60. So totally it is totally S1 power 1 equal to 0.9 comma 30. S2 power 1 equal to 0.9. So calculating S power n, that is the S power 1 S power 1, that is the S power 1 is the merging of all possible values 1. It is already discussing in previous slide. Is S power 1, S power, it is the S power I, it is the S power I is S power I from S minus 1 I by all possibilities of M of I values. That is by merging of all possible values. That is the merging of 2 values. That is the merging of 2 values that equal to the merging of 2 values. That is 2 values we are getting. It is we are getting 0.930 and 0.9930. So checking your domain rule, that is the domain rules means, that is already we are discussing domain rule in previous slide. Domain, that is domain rule is F1 comma X1, that is F1 comma X1 and F2 comma X2. F1 greater than or equal to F2, X1 less than or equal to X2. So X2, that is you are calculating applying domain rule, that is 0.9 is greater than 0.99. Wrong. 30 less than or equal to 30 less than or equal, that is X1 less than or equal, that is the condition failed. So you are not applying any domain rule. S power 1, that is S power 1 equal to 0.9 comma 30, 0.99 comma 30. That means S power 1 means in first stage the first tuple represents, that is the first tuple represents the number of devices is 1, and that means cost is 30. Reliability, that is reliability if the number of devices in first stage is 1, the reliability is 0.9. Next, second one, 0.99 comma 60. 0.99 comma 60 means suppose the number of devices, that is the number of the devices in second stage is 0.99 and the number of devices in first stage is 2. Reliability is 0.99. Cost is 60. So cost is 60 means, so suppose in first stage we are placing 2 devices, the cost is 60. 60 minus 105. 60 minus 105 means 60 minus 105 minus 60 is 45. So you can place second, you can place second device, that is second stage 1 device, third stage 1 device, because sum of the two costs, that is the sum of the second device and third device is 20 plus 15, 35, but the remaining capacity is 45. So you can place, that is you can place third device, second device in second stage, third device in third stage. For example, it is, for example, in second stage, it is, for example, for this, in second stage, we are using two devices, that is D1 and D2. Sorry, D1. In the second stage, you are possible to place one device, D2 and D3. D3. That means here the cost is 60. Here the cost is 15. Here the cost is 20. That means total cost is 95. So 95 is less than or equal to 105. Suppose you are consider two devices. That is, suppose you are consider two devices in second stage. Suppose 60. 60 means the number of devices in second stage is 60. You can also place one devices in third stage, one device in second stage, one device in third stage. How we can calculate the sum of the cost of the devices is less than or equal to 105. Suppose in first stage you are using two devices, in second stage you are using one device, third stage you are using one device. The sum of the cost, that is 60 plus 15 plus 20 equal to 105. So the two tuples are perfect because the two tuples are valid. That is, the two tuples are valid because the sum of the cost of the cost of the devices is less than or equal to 105. Okay, so s power 1. Next one, s square. First we are calculating s power 1. Next we are calculating s square. That is s square. Next we are calculating s cube. So first we are calculating s square 1, s square, sorry, s1 square, s2 square, s3 square. Why you are calculating s1 square, s2 square, s3 square means we are calculating upper bound. That is, we are calculating upper bound. That is the maximum values. That is the upper bound is 3. So in second stage we are using maximum value is 3. So that's why we are calculating s1 square, s2 square, s2 square, and s3 square. Same for next, that is for s3 maximum value. Next we are calculating s cube, s2 cube, s3 cube means, so the upper bound of third device, that is the upper bound of third device is also 3. That means you are calculating here the upper bound, that is the upper bound of third device, that is the upper bound of third device is 3. So we are calculating s1 square, s2 square, s3 square. Here 3 represents, so s1 cube, s2 cube, s3 cube. Here 2 represent s1 square, sorry, s power s1 1, s power 1, s2 power 1. So you are calculating in our calculation. First you are calculating just s1 values, that is s1 power 1, s1 s2 power 1. Next we are calculating s1 square, s2 square, s3 square. Next we are calculating s3 square. So tomorrow we will calculating s square, and next one is s cube. By using s square and s cube, you are finding the optimal solution. That is, what is meant by optimal solution? That is with the maximum reliability. That is the maximum reliability within the cost. So tomorrow we'll discussing about calculating s square and s cube. Next, finally we are finding, it is finally we are finding the optimal solution. What is meant by optimal solution means the maximum reliability with the sum of the cost of the devices is less than or equal to budget, that is 105. So tomorrow we'll discuss about calculate s square and s cube. So